Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be unboxing the Introverted chick, and this is my third time unboxing this, and sadly I canceled the subscription. Nothing against the subscription, but it is the holiday season and your girl gotta save up money for Christmas gifts. So I'm excited to get into this and see what I got, but I am sad. But I will be subscribing again after the holidays, more than likely. But if you're interested in signing up for this subscription, trust me, it is really good. Like, I love the fact that they made a box for people like me who are introverted and would rather stay home than be around people and all that good and great stuff. And so anyways, it's $39.99 a month. It's comes with, I guess you could call it, it's a lifestyle subscription, so you get random things. It's a surprise every month. There's never going to be a spoiler. So when you open your box is when you're going to find out what you get, which I love that. I love surprises. But right now on Cratejoy, there's a 20% off sale for this box. So I will link the link below for Introverted Chick for you to sign up, as well as give you the code. So when you sign up, you enter the code in the field and you'll save 20% off your subscription. So that's a great deal. Definitely worth checking out. I love the box. I love the owner. She's freaking hilarious. So let's see what I got for my final Introverted Chick until I sign up again. So here we go. So it always comes with a card, and she writes on it. Okay, so it says, Gina, thanks. I hope you enjoy your November sub box. Love, Sarah. So this is one of those where they actually personalize and write something to you. I love the boxes like that. They're amazing. Then she always gives you this pamphlet. It tells you about the items in here. Something else she does, which is awesome, is she'll tell you about the items in her own words. So let's say she puts a body cream, for instance. It's not going to be the description the company comes up with. It's going to be in her words what she thinks of it. So it's like reading a blog, if you will, about items. And I don't know, I think that's a cool touch. I've never seen a subscription do that. This is what it looks like on the inside. So there's something big in here. I have no freaking idea what this is, guys. Can anybody guess? Because I don't know. Let's see. It says remove plastic at store level. I have no idea. Let me read about it. Is it a blanket? What are you? Okay, so I think this is a pillow. It says Home Sweet Home Pillow. True story. I tried to get this pillow for a previous box, but it didn't work out at the time. When I saw a chance to get it for y'all again, I pounced. This pillow is just right for when you're staying in your home sweet home during chilly stay home November day. Okay, so like November. Stay home November days, nights, and beyond. The dark gray color is neutral enough to match something somewhere in your home. The knobby texture is so interesting, and it's always like an optical illusion as it spells out its sweet sentiment. You can display the message, and then when it's nap time, flip it over to the smooth canvas back and avoid sleep lines on your face. So let's see what it says. Let's see. Oh, I can already tell. It says Home Sweet Home. Ugh. So it was vacuum sealed in here. I was like, is it a blanket? That's cool. So I got home decor. See, it's like puffing up already. Y'all see it? Home, sweet home. And I love gray, so I'm glad she picked that. And then this is the other side. And she's right. It's a lot smoother. Very comfortable pillow. So I love that. I'm telling you guys, I love this subscription. Now, I've noticed subscriptions will do stuff like give you like a pillowcase or like a slip cover for a pillow. So how awesome is it that I actually got the actual pillow from a subscription? I'm already happy. So Awesome, awesome, awesome. Okay, the next item. I knew this box was gonna make me regret it. I didn't want to regret it. I love this. Okay, look. So here's a dish towel, and it says, "Who needs plans when you've got pajamas?" And then there's like a little, what is that? Oh, candy. There's like candy falling, and it says, "I'm here for you too." Talking about the candy. How cute is that for your kitchen dish towel? So who needs plans when you've got pajamas? Again, this is introverted. Introverts, whatever, you know what I'm saying, themed. So I love that. Definitely going in my kitchen. So I got 2 items from my home. This very true sentiment is a perfect for the month of November, eh? No plans, November. Cancel plans are the best plans. So give your regrets, put on your pajamas, and just stay home with your computer or streaming service and delicious snacks. And then it says the like 28 by 28 dish towel is whimsical with its relaxed chick in her comfy PJs, who is obviously ecstatic about staying in for the evening. I know exactly how she feels, don't you? Yes, I do. All right, so here's the next item, okay? I'm gonna read about it as I open it. It says, "You can't have enough hot pads to kind of match your home sweet home pillow. Texture-wise, anyway. It has specifically placed nubs to create a no-slip grip and disperse heat evenly. FDA-approved silicone, heat-resistant up to 500 degrees Fahrenheit, multi-use, hot pad, pot holder, spoon rest, or jar opener. It's dishwasher safe and 7.5 inches in diameter." So again, she did like, it's kind of like a charcoal color, so it's like a grayish black. That's really cute. And I definitely need something like this. My kids have already burned something on the counter, and I've wanted to kill them. But anyway, isn't that cute? And it matches my pillow. So again, stuff from my home. All right, what's next? Y'all see why I love this box, right? It's totally worth it. $39.99. And again, 20% off right now. Hell, I might go sign back up. Okay, so how cute is this? There's a little button in here, and it says no. So let me read about this. It says, "This button is here because it's November. It serves as a reminder that no is a complete sentence. No need to elaborate, no need to explain. You are allowed to just say no when somebody asks you to do something. Yes, you can say yes, but you can also say no." Cute, right? I love her explanations of everything. That's like probably one of my favorite things about this box. Okay, so then I got these socks that say no. How cute are those? I like the colors. All right. So I'll put these to the side. Let me read about the socks. No, nope, no way, nix, forget it. No thank you. How many ways do you have to say it before you get your point across? In November, you can now say no with your socks. You've heard of talk to the hand? Tell them to talk to the foot or talk to the socks. These are a fun add to your sock wardrobe. You can change the lyrics or that country song to "no socks, no shoes, no problem." And you know, no is a palindrome, and so upside down it spells on. Have fun with that, haha. Anyway, that's cute. Okay, next. So we got this item. That's really cute. Oh my god, my freaking stepson needed map pencils not too long ago, and my daughter. Look at that. It says the introverted chick, and then it's like the pencils going around, and then the sharpener is built in at the top. How perfect is that? And it's like, I could just stick this in that one kitchen drawer everybody has, you know what I'm talking about? Where you stick random shit. That's where that's gonna go. So then it has this, and it says introverts unite to color, but separately and in your own homes. So we unite, but separately in our own homes. All right, so that's that. So that's what goes with the pencils. Okay, got it. So it says, could there even be a better coloring book for introverts? You will recognize your innermost thoughts on every single page. It's almost as if another introverted chick created the coloring book, and it was. Learn about the book's publisher, Heather Wallace of HR Publishing, in the Meet Your Maker feature. You may have your own crayons, pencils, or pens, but I never give coloring books without art supplies, so it can be used right away. Have fun on those cozy nights when you stay home and color your little introverted heart out. So I'll read a couple of the pages since she said it's introverted. Okay, this one says, enjoy the silence. This one says, explore the great indoors. Canceled plans are my favorite plans. That's cute. Antisocial butterfly. And I went outside once. So this is really cute. All right, let's see what's next. So this thing is wrapped up. I got some goodies. So this is tea drop, sweet peppermint, and it says 1 tea drop. Loose leaf tea that dissolves. And it's shaped like a heart in there. I don't know if y'all could tell. That's really cute. Then we have, then we have, I'm doing a video, you little nutcase. Sorry guys for the interruption. Anyways, so then we have Grab the Gold Snack Bar, Energy and Endurance, Chocolate Peanut Butter. My 2 favorite flavors. Okay, then this says Grab the Gold Snack Bar, Snack Smart, Feel Confident, Delicious Guilt-Free Snack. Let's see. Tag us to win a $50 gift card. And then I got this in there. It says Thanksgiving Blend. Limited Dark Roast Edition. Spicy full-bodied brew with subtle herbal notes that will warm anyone up on a cool fall day. Cool. And they're coffee beans. So I got coffee, this cool little tea drop thing, and a snack. All right, so the sweet peppermint tea drop. I wanted to give a nod back to the very first box that had a box of Earl Grey tea drops. I hope you enjoyed this sweet peppermint tea drop. There's no need to steep. Just dissolve in hot water, sip, and enjoy. Yum. Okay, and then there's this is a chocolate peanut butter. My friend Janice gave me some Grab the Gold bars a few years ago. I love them. The no-bake cookie taste is so good. It's gluten-free, plant-based, naturally vegan, kosher, dairy-free, high in fiber, no preservatives, and no HFCs. Each Grab the Gold purchase provides meals via their partnership with Feeding America. Learn about the company and its owner, Daniel Ontiveros, in the Meet Your Maker feature. Then the coffee, it says, you might choose to serve your Thanksgiving blend coffee on the actual holiday or make it any day you wish. It's a special dark roast with a smooth taste that is delicious. Learn more about Java Aroma's Roasters owner, Joanna Wade, in the Meet Your Maker feature and get a special offer of 15% off your purchase on their website. Okay, that's cool. Let me see. She gave me, so here's 2 envelopes, and I got 2 thank you cards. See, 2 different ones to send out to people for the month of Thanksgiving. That was smart. Okay, so let me see. 'Tis the season for giving thanks. I've included 2 pretty blank thank you cards for you to do just that. Just fold the card, write your message, send them to anyone that you want to thank personally and in a special way, or thank yourself for just being you. All right, and then the last items that are in here, I've got Hand Pure Hand Mask, anti-aging and moisturizing, nourish dry hands, provide anti-aging protection, restore elasticity. Oh, it looks like this is the same. Okay, so here we go. So 2 of the same mask for your hands. That's cool. All right, and y'all know I love masks. It's No Dry Hands Vember. This deep conditioning hand treatment designed to nourish your hands and keep them younger looking. Each pack contains 1 pair of premium moisturizing gloves, and you get 2 packs for double relaxation, spa-like, self-pampering, or share a pack with a friend. So there you go, guys. That's Introverted Chick for November. Again, I'm so sad. I might cry in my new pillow. Isn't it cute? It's really soft. But anyways, I love this subscription. I highly recommend you guys signing up. Like I said, I will be back, Introverted Chick. I will be back. I just had to make cuts. I had to make cuts for Christmas. I had giveaways to do up until Christmas. And so I miss you guys already. But for those of you who are interested and would like to sign up, again, the link is in the description below. The promo code will also be listed for you to save 20% off, and that's a phenomenal deal. So I suggest you jump on it. All right, guys, I love you guys. Don't forget, you can't spell original without Gina, and I'll see you in the next video. Mwah!